Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add a heading to a note inside your account on Workflowy. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to your account on Workflowy and navigate also to the given note, for example for today or one you have created here in your overview. And then guys, what you want to do is navigate to the given line. And what you want to do after that guys is click into these three dots here and then navigate to turn into. If it's for the given line, for example, or title, I will go to the first line here and then select the heading 1, 2, or 3. That's it. Now there's also the option to, as you can see, if I enter the title here, it will be heading 1. But if I skip to the next line, the text will look like this, right? So like a block text. So if you'd like to convert that one, what you want to do is highlight the text, and then from that menu here, use one of these headings, or use the shortcut Alt-Control-1 for heading 1, Alt-Control-2 for heading 2, and so on and so forth. Option number 2, guys, would be to skip to the given line. So let me press enter and skip to the next line, and then you may enter the command slash and then use one of these options, heading 1, 2, 3, heading 3, for example. And as you can see, that's heading 3. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.